The pig waterer is designed with stainless steel filter, preventing the waste of water and keeping your piglets healthy. The pig nipple water drinker is suitable for sows, piglets, cows, cattle, horses, hog, sheep and so on. The water will flow out automatically when pig's mouth touches the metal switch. It stops flowing out when pigs leave, so there is no need to worry about wasting water. Nipple drinker is made of stainless steel, sturdy, durable and corrosion-proof, can last long time use. No need to worry about their breaking.